see you hide yourself underneath the mountain of makeup. Yes, the
Okay, so I was revising SHM and I'm gonna attend this lecture for like 2 hours and 47 minutes. And if you guys are thinking which book I'm reading right now, so this is Physics Volume 3 book from Topper's Notes. So I have these books here and these are Topper's Notes for NEET UG, and these are totally NCERT based and extended version of NCERT. Now these comes in all subjects and chapters. So first of all you'll get Physics Volume 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you'll get Physical Chemistry, Organic and Inorganic Chemistry books separately, and for Biology you'll get 3 volume of Zoology and 2 for Botany. So these books are well categorized. Now if I talk about this book Zoology 1, here you'll get chapters name and then these are the notes. They have given this diagrammatic way of presentation, topic wise examples, tables and mind mapping technique. For physics, they have mentioned detailed analysis with examples. You'll also get formulas, important concepts, explanation and notes as well. And for chemistry, they have mentioned everything properly. You'll get inorganic chemistry notes where they have given this short table for quick revision, important formulas for better retention. You'll also get physical chemistry books separately, and here they have given chapters name and diagrams, notes, important formulas. You'll also get topic wise previous year questions in these books and chapter analysis and topic analysis as well. So these books are really helpful and these will definitely help you in last minute revision as it contains notes reviewed by the toppers. The link of these books are given below in the description. Make sure to check it out.
everything